Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add picture on hi5. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Then tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. And then tap on your profile picture. Now tap on the pencil icon. Tap on the plus icon which is under Photos. Now select the photo that you would like to add. Once you're done, tap on the upload button. You can add caption if you want to. Once you're done, tap on the upload button once again. And this is how you can add picture on hi5. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.